Today is a dream coming true. I'm visiting a sanctuary in the north of Chiang Mai in Thailand to hike, bathe, and play with elephants. I was picked up early in the morning in Chiang Mai with 3 others who ended up as friends by the end of this bonding experience. Tori and Brian from Washington, D.C., who had just been married and were on their honeymoon, and Mackenzie from Ann Arbor, Michigan. The park belongs to the Elephant Nature Park and has been existing for a long time. They have dedicated their efforts to buying and rescuing abused elephants from the tourism and logging industry and give them a home where they can live in peace.
This is not gonna go well.
First things first, when we arrived at the Highland Sanctuary, the elephants were already waiting for their breakfast, so we started chopping up pumpkins right away.
Wow, they're so beautiful. We just fed them about 4 full baskets and they're still hungry. They don't need us.
Or num-num.
We have the food. We're their friends, as long as we have it. Yeah. So hold on to it. I've done a lot of hikes. This is my favorite. Yes.
Let's see what we look like. Oh man, mine's a little naked in the front.
It looks cuter with a little braid.
It's incredible how gentle these creatures are. They are so strong, and even their trunks are incredibly strong, but yet they were so gentle in every single movement and careful not to hurt us.
I know you want my food, right? You want my food.
I wish I could just hold his trunk like holding it.
Oh, that was an awesome video.
Oh, I'm behind you.
Oh my God. You want some too, huh? Am I the only one with food left?
No.
Look at you. Smart. Smart.
The Highlands tour was outside of the big sanctuary and was designed for a more intimate experience. So while there are usually hundreds of tourists in the central sanctuary at any given point, it was only us 4 for this tour with the elephants and their mahouts for the day. We hiked all the way to a second center within the Highland Sanctuary where the elephants would go every day to bathe and clean and have lunch.
Now it's like, oh, it's a little bit more.
If I had been worried at any point about the quality of the food during this tour, that absolutely vanished when I saw the buffet. We had the most fabulous vegetarian lunch at this center.
Oh, look at that.
Ever wondered how elephants drink? It's actually pretty amazing. They use their trunk almost as a straw and then bring it right back into their mouth. After the elephants had refreshed themselves with some water, we were about to witness one of the most important rituals for the elephants during the day, which is the mud bath. Mud bathing is incredibly important for elephants, mostly in terms of washing and cleaning their skin, but they also use the mud as a sunscreen. So in order to help, we all got in there and helped really rub them with the mud to make sure that the bath was as effective as it could be.
Post mud bath. But it was fun. I'm just seeing myself for the first time. I do look like the elephants bathed me. Ryan, do you think we need a shower? We might.
A little, just
a little, just a little tiny drop.
Just a little one.
So we're not only mud bathing with the elephants, we're gonna take a little swim with them now. So come on and join us while we try to get clean after this.
While you guys have fun and enjoy watching us bathing with the elephants, I need to address a topic that is important to know in this context. Elephants actually have a very sad story in Thailand, especially since the arrival of mass tourism. The young elephants undergo a horrible procedure after they're taken away from their parents, where they're beaten with hooks, chained, and abused to break their spirits. The injuries, both physical and mental, that they suffer through due to maltreatment are so severe that some of them even commit suicide by stepping on their own trunk to suffocate. A lot of organizations like the Elephant Nature Park do amazing work to change the situation, but there's still a lot of tourist traps and bad parks out there that still host elephant rides and contribute to their maltreatment. So it's incredibly important that you do your research and identify the parks where you actually help change the situation.
So after bathing with the elephants, we got soaked. It started raining pretty heavily. We got really wet. And now we're making rice patties for the elephants.
Some of the elephants in these parks have injuries in both their jaws and also their teeth. So a lot of them can't really handle their natural food anymore. So once a day, just to make sure that everyone is fed, these parks make little rice patties with rice and bananas and some grains to have a healthy afternoon snack for the elephants. By this time, it was actually raining pretty heavily, but none of us really cared. We had mud bathed and swum with these elephants. We had taken a basic shower, but we're right back out there and wanting to spend as much time with them as we possibly could. And it just felt absolutely amazing. And that already was the end to probably one of the most amazing days that I've had this year, if not in my life, and have bonded not only with the elephants, but with these three special people that became very dear to me during the day. And I'm 100% glad I did exactly this tour on exactly this day. It couldn't have been any better. Bye-bye, elephants. Bye-bye, elephants. Bye, elephants.
Bye, elephants.
Trying to say
Bye,
bye.
elephants. He is trying to say bye.
Bye.
This time we didn't hike back, but we took the truck, so we were able to really take in the landscape around us from a very different perspective. Bye-bye, Elephant Nature Park. Thank you so much for the most amazing day.